Hey, this is Ross, ProTech Epoxy Floors, Port Richey, Florida. Today we're on the other side of 19 in Port Richey out by the water, and we are going to do a 2-car garage with baseboards. So as you can see, we got a couple failed coatings on here. We're actually going to go around the baseboard around this air conditioner. Excuse me. So once we get this ground, we'll see what's underneath here. I don't see any expansion joints. And then we're going to come out here onto the apron. We'll round that over. Smooth that all out. And we're going to chip right out to the driveway. So let's get started. Okay, so we have our grind done. Let's see how nice this floor looks now. No expansion joints, no cracks. So we got all the coatings off, and there was a couple areas where we had to put a little extra work into it. But we did get our baseboards and our trim in. We did some repair along some of the baseboards. The one area that's wet, so to speak, we sealed off the drywall in the back totally, so there won't be any problems with it ever leaching into the drywall. So we're all set up. We got our epoxy ready, our roller chips ready. We'll have this floor in about 15 minutes from now. Okay, here we are. We're all done. Job looks great. So this is a full chip job with baseboards, polyaspartic top coat. We removed a few coatings, previous coatings. We did some repairs along the baseboard, particularly here. We waterproofed that in. Joined the baseboard to the floor with epoxy and chips and top coat. So the customer's color theme on the exterior of the house is gray and with white. So he went with this color, which is shadow. To match the exterior of the house. Excuse me. So we rounded over this lead edge. Looks good. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Port Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.